place where dreams turn into architecture, where white marble glows under the golden sun and silence feels divine. Before you stands a royal heaven mansion, its walls carved from pure white stone, shimmering with golden accents. The grand glass doors open to a breathtaking view, sunlight pouring in, chandeliers glittering like stars, mirrors reflecting elegance, and a staircase that spirals toward the heavens. It feels like you've entered a king's paradise. Walk a little further, and the Golden Empire Villa unfolds, every corner rich with gold and marble. A double staircase rising beneath chandeliers that sparkle in daylight. The royal dining hall glows with warm reflections, every detail touched by sunlight and perfection. Then comes the White Pearl Palace, surrounded by gardens and bathed in royal calm. Velvet curtains sway in golden light, marble floors shine like mirrors, and the living room stretches wide, a blend of luxury and peace. Now you arrive at the King's Horizon Mansion, tall windows letting the sun paint every marble wall with light. A red royal carpet welcomes you into a grand hall, while 10 rooms whisper stories of elegance, each one unique in its design. The journey continues through the Imperial Dream House, a masterpiece of white marble and gold, with shining chandeliers, glass cabinets, and golden pillars standing tall. Daylight dances on every surface, filling the house with royal brilliance. In the Palace of Serenity, everything feels calm and pure. Soft white interiors, crystal reflections, a garden blooming under the morning sun, and rooms that glow with peaceful luxury. It's not just a house, it's a feeling of heaven. Then, behold the majestic Glow Mansion. Its walls dressed in white stone and gold patterns, royal bedrooms with canopy beds, a marble tub that glimmers under sunlight, and a kitchen finished in gold, perfect in every detail. Finally, the Diamond Castle residence, a symbol of pure sophistication. White marble shines like crystal, gold-accented rooms open under tall glass windows, and the chandeliers scatter sunlight like diamonds in the air. Every corner feels unreal, as if heaven itself was built into a palace. This is not just architecture, it's the art of luxury, the beauty of light, and the soul of royalty captured in stone and gold.